In this section, we will talk about servers. What are servers? Why are they needed in an IT infrastructure? For that, let us go back to one of our slides. Earlier, I mentioned about networking each of these computers. After that, what were they going to do? Well, they could share files among them. For example, user of this computer can share his C drive to the user of this computer. Then this user can access that drive from his computer, and both can exchange files using this shared drive. This is called peer-to-peer network. In fact, this was the case during early 90s when networking was beginning. Actually, this user can give permission to more users so that the organization can use this shared drive for file sharing. But what if this computer's user goes on vacation and this computer has been turned off? Then this shared drive will not be available. If a business process depends on people sharing files, then this method is not suitable. Also, what if there are hundreds of users trying to access this shared drive? Will this computer be powerful enough to handle that load? To address this, we would need a powerful computer located in a separate location. So let us bring a powerful computer, put it in a separate location where there will be enough power sources with battery backup or a generator backup to prevent any outage during a power cut. And let us make this as a robust computer to share files. This will have a huge storage space which can be accessed by other users. Now, this is a powerful computer whose main purpose is to serve many users. So this needs a special operating system such as Windows Server 2012 or Linux Server operating system, etc. These operating systems are called as server operating systems. The ones that are used in these PCs are called as desktop operating systems or workstations operating system, like that. Generally, these computers are referred as client PCs or workstation computers, whereas this computer is referred as a server. Now, how many such servers do we need? It depends on the business requirement. We can procure as much we want as needed by the business. These servers are referred by their use. For example, if I use a server just for file sharing, then I can call it as a file server. Similarly, I can set up an email server. I can set up a database server. I can set up a web server, etc. So the number of servers you set up actually depends on your business needs. However, as an informed IT recruiter, knowing these opens up lots of questions. If it's a Windows 2012 or a Linux server, do you need a Windows administrator or do you need a Linux administrator? Or if this is an Microsoft Exchange server, then do you need a Microsoft Exchange admin? Or what is your web server? Is it Internet Information Server or is it Apache Web Server? if that is the case, do you need an IIS admin or an Apache web server admin? And what database server do you use? You can ask these questions to your clients. Okay, and if they say Oracle, do you need an Oracle DBA? Or if they say Microsoft SQL Server, do you need a Microsoft SQL Server DBA? So these opens up a lot of questions. So as a recruiter, when you begin a conversation with a new client or even an existing client, because the IT architecture constantly changes, right? So you can begin your discussion by inquiring about the list of servers they use. And that will give you a better understanding of what they are trying to do. Once you have a good idea, then you'll be able to offer better solutions in terms of identifying their recruiting needs. And that improves your interaction with your client, and it leads to better prospects. Thank you.